I feel that having a tenant board member sitting on the board actually gives another voice from the perspective of the tenant. Yes, we do the board members meetings, and also I can take forward what the tenants are actually feeling or thinking out there, which is being a tenant myself. That could be taken forward to committees and also brought up at the board.
Mae bod yn aelod o'r bwrdd, fel o ran safbwynt tenant, mae'n rhoi cyfle I chi fod yn rhoi syniadau yn wir beth sydd yn bwysig I denantiaid yn eich ardal chi, a'r math o bethau sydd yn poeni nhw, a'r math o bethau fyddech chi'n hoffi I cartrefi Conwy wneud yn well.
It's really quite nerve-wracking to start off with when you first join the board in that first meeting, but I feel I've settled in really well. Everyone's extremely welcoming, and you can very easily see the importance of that board to discuss all aspects of the company's operation and future direction. And I've really enjoyed getting involved in that and having my views heard and put into the good use of the company.
Don't worry about not maybe ticking some of the boxes on some of the specialist things. That'll come later. The main thing is you've got a broad outlook, a reasonable basis of education. You can add up and take away. Really, it's no more owning. In actual fact, as far as accounting is concerned, some tenants living under extreme circumstances, having to budget very tightly, wouldn't have any problems at all because they're aware of the issues that the companies are aware of. We've all got the same problem, whether it be a company or an individual.
Os yn ni'n annog unrhyw un sgan chydig o ddiddordeb neu chydig bach amser, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n gyfle gwych I ddysgu am beth sy'n mynd ymlaen ac hefyd I cael rhoi llais efallai ar datblygiadau i'r dyfodol. Mae o'n adnodd gwerth chweil. Dydwch bod chi'n chwilio am waith neu eisiau gwirfoddoli mewn meysydd eraill.